First of all, you are going to take the material that you are using for the front of your cushion. We are going to measure out a 16-inch square since our cushion is 15 inches. That extra inch gives us enough room for the seam. Cut out this square. This next step is probably the most difficult. Instead of a 16-inch square, we are going to cut out a rectangle of approximately 16 inches in width and 18 inches in length. After cutting this out, you want to cut around 3/4 of the way up the cushion. Make sure you are cutting along the length as we need the width to be 16 inches, as seen in this diagram. Now, take both pieces of material for the back of the cushion and fold the top edge of each piece in by about a centimetre. This is the part that is 16 inches wide. Using an iron, press these to hold them in place. Next, we are going to overlap these two bits of material until we make a 16-inch square. Measure it with your measuring tape to double check this is correct. Place a pin here so we can remember where the material overlaps when we need to. Using Bond-A-Web, draw out the letters you want on the front of your cushion. Make sure to do these in reverse, as when you cut them out they will be ironed on the other way. Place the Bond-A-Web on the coloured felt and iron over until it is secured in place. Cut out the letters, peel off the white paper and place them on the material for the front of your cushion. Make sure to place the sticky side down. Iron over these gently, making sure not to knock the letters out of place. Continue this carefully until the letters are fully stuck to the material. Taking the other bits of material that we were just working with, you're going to overlap the larger piece over the smaller piece. Make sure to use the ironed edges and have them overlapping. You're going to pin this in place. Now for the tricky part. Pin both parts of material for the front and back of the cushion together. It is important to have these inside out, so the parts of the material you want to be on show have them facing each other. Carefully sew these together, either by hand or using a sewing machine. Turn this inside out and you should now have a fabulous cushion cover.